The next chapter that we will be doing is chapter number 8. So I would just like you to go there, go to the next page and write down the name of the chapter. Chapter 8 is comparing quantities. It's page 153. I would like you to start by writing down definitions with me. I'll just zoom in so we can write down. Okay, just a moment here. So this completes your chapter 6th. Okay, one of the students wanted to write down work from here. That's it. This is what we have to do. After this, what you can do is you can practice questions from the assignment. We are actually busy with some result thing, so I could not send the assignment in time. I'll try to send the assignment by tomorrow, and then you can practice questions. I'll give more questions based on Pythagoras property, and you can just do those. Okay. Now the next chapter is comparing quantities. This is something you have done a lot of times. Ratio, profit and loss, percentage. There will be some new topics. There will be some topics which you have already done. For example, ratio. You had one whole exercise last year based on ratio. If you can recall. पूरी exercises में बहुत सारे questions थे. There was a picture given in which there were triangles and squares and circles, and you had to count and write down the ratio of squares to the number of circles, the number of circles to the number of total figures in the picture, then how many girls are there in a school, how many boys are there, and then you have to find out the ratio. Do you remember doing those questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are just going over that. Ratio is used when you want to compare two quantities, and we compare the quantities by division. And why do we call division? For example, if I have to compare the number of boys and number of girls in your class. So number of boys and number of girls can be written in the form of a ratio by using the sign of ratio. So this here is the symbol. A dot below a dot, this is called colon. हम colon नहीं इसको read करेंगे, we read it as is 2. So number of boys is 2, the number of girls. Let us say the number of boys is 24 and the number of girls is 20. So the ratio will be written by
हमने किया हुआ है.
किया हुआ है आपने. और
there are two ways to solve this. You can की age और father की age निकालते हैं.
Yes, that's correct. You can either write it like this, 24 by 20. You can write this way, 24 by 20, and then simplify it by cutting and answering it in the lowest terms. Or you can do the cutting right here. Like look for the common factor by which these two numbers can be cancelled and then simplify your answer. Now, in this case, you have numbers, so there is no need to convert anything. We can just simply cancel. Both can be divided by 4. So 4, 6, 4, 5. This is your answer. Right? 6 is to 5. Now, if your values or the quantities had units, let us say I had to find out the ratio of 2 kilometers to 500 meters. Then what will I do? I will have to convert because the units are different. So I will convert and then find out my answer. So 2000 meters.
Units का नाम दोबारा बोल दो.
If your quantities have different units, अगर आपके पास दो quantities हैं, मैंने जो
आपने क्वेश्चन में क्या यूनिट बोला था?
हाँ जी वही बोल रही हूँ बेटा. I have written it on the screen actually. I had taken the example of number of boys and number of girls. वो तो counting हो गई. Counting के units नहीं होते, तो उसमें जब ratio निकालनी है तो वो directly निकल आएगी. लेकिन अगर आपके पास क्वांटिटीज के यूनिट्स हैं जिनके लिए रेशो लिखनी है, मीटर्स में है, केजी में है, साथ में वैल्यूज है, उनके यूनिट्स मैच नहीं हो रहे, तो फर्स्ट थिंग वी वांट टू इंश्योर इज दैट द यूनिट्स मस्ट बी सेम. आई हैव रिटन इट हियर इन द नोट्स दैट द यूनिट्स must be same before you start your calculation. Now we would always prefer to convert the bigger units into smaller units. Always हमारी कोशिश होगी कि हम जो larger units हैं उनको smaller units में convert करें so that we don't have to deal with decimals. कन्वर्जन हम दूसरी भी कर सकते हैं, मीटर्स को किलोमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, बट उससे आपकी वैल्यूज हो सकता है पॉइंट्स में चली जाएं. सो हम पॉइंट्स में काम नहीं करना चाहते, हम हमेशा किसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे, बिगर यूनिट्स को स्मॉलर यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. सो किलोमीटर्स को मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद आप रेशो फाइंड करोगे. 2 kilometers is to 500 meters. 2 kilometers after conversion become 2000 meters, and the units now can be cancelled out, and then you can evaluate your answer. 2000 is to 500. Simplify and obtain your answer. Zeros can be cancelled, so the answer is 4:1. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now let's just go over
Yes,
what I have
ma'am.
written here. रेशो का सिंबल हमारे पास कोलन है. जब आपने दो वैल्यूज की रेशो लिखनी है, बीच में ये सिंबल डालना है. बच्चे यूजुअली रीड करते हैं इसको रेशो ए रेशो बी, बट हम इसको कैसे रीड करते हैं, ए इज टू बी. रेशो का सिंबल जहां पे आएगा उसको आपने कैसे रीड करना है, इज टू. And then the first value or the term in the ratio is called antecedent. The second value or the term in is called consequent. तो जैसे ये रेशो है आपके पास,
Ma'am,
6 is to
ma'am,
5.
can you please repeat? Ma'am, आपकी वॉइस कट गई थी.
If we have ratio of two values, the first value is called antecedent and the second value is called consequent. So if you have this ratio
Okay.
6:5, 6 will be the antecedent and 5 will be the consequent.
Consequent.
Right? Ratio is always expressed in lowest terms. चाहे बोला है question में, चाहे नहीं बोला. It is obvious. This is something you know by default कि अगर वो रेशो निकालने के लिए कह रहे हैं तो आपने अपना आंसर लोएस्ट टर्म्स में देना है, पूरी कटिंग करनी है. एंड बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू कैंसल फैक्टर्स, ध्यान से बी केयरफुल विद द कटिंग. रेशो इटसेल्फ हैज नो यूनिट्स. जब हमारा आंसर आ जाता है, जब हम रेशो फाइंड कर लेते हैं, पूरा सॉल्व कर लिया, उसके साथ कोई यूनिट नहीं लिखा जाएगा. एंड देन टू कैलकुलेट द रेशो ऑफ टू क्वांटिटीज, द यूनिट्स मस्ट बी सेम. दिस इज समथिंग आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. जब भी आपने रेशो फाइंड आउट करनी है तो प्लीज मेक श्योर अगर आपकी क्वांटिटीज के साथ यूनिट्स लगे हुए हैं वो यूनिट्स सेम होने चाहिए. और अगर वो डिफरेंट हैं तो हमारा पहला स्टेप हो जाएगा कन्वर्जन, and then the second step will be to find out the ratio. For numbers, there is no such problem. For numbers, you can find out the ratio directly. Anything you want to ask from here? Any point which is not clear?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So if you could not write this down, I will be sending this in the group. You can note it down from there. We have exercise 8.1 on page number 157. And I think there are a few deletions in this chapter. Exercises सारी करनी है हमें, questions delete हुए हैं. सो सिलेबस अपने सामने रख के बुक पे केयरफुली मार्क कर लेना कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस डिलीटेड है. आई विल बी मेंशनिंग बट समटाइम्स यू मिस एंड देन लेटर व्हाइल रिवीजन यू माइट स्टार्ट डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच हैव बीन डिलीटेड. तो वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है अगर वो सिलेबस में नहीं इंडिकेटेड. So right now let's take a look at exercise 8.1 on page number 157. The first question is just a revision thing जो हम लास्ट ईयर भी करके आए हैं. So you have to find out the ratio of these, and all of the parts have units and the units are different in each part. First part में rupees और पैसे हैं, second part में kg और grams हैं, third part में meters and centimeters हैं, और last part में days और hours हैं. So you will have to convert and then find out the ratio. If you are already aware how to do this, you can just start doing on your own. I will be doing it here and you can just match your answer with me.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, Bhavya?
मैम क्वेश्चन 1 में मैम मेरी बुक में रुपीस मिटा हुआ है
Rupees
Excuse
is
me?
missing or not written? Is it missing?
यस मैम
वो बेटा printing error होगा. Sometimes the symbol for rupees, this symbol is not read by the printer. वो फिर print नहीं होता, वो command नहीं जाती, इसलिए हो सकता है. But you can write down for yourself that it's rupees 5 to 50 paise. This is what we have.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Achyut?
Ma'am, we have to leave one page for definition.
Yes, you can count how many points are there. These are 7 points, so I think one page will be sufficient.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lovepreet?
मैम ये फिर से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ मैम. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू मैम ये वाले.
जब हम रेशो फाइंड करते हैं तो आपके पास दो नंबर्स होते हैं ना. जो पहले वाला नंबर है उसको हम एंटीसीडेंट भी बोल देते हैं और जो दूसरा नंबर है उसको हम कॉन्सिक्वेंट भी बोल देते हैं. नाम दिया गया है, जैसे राइट ट्रायंगल में साइड्स के लिए नाम थे ना, यहाँ पे रेशो के जो दो वैल्यूज हैं उनमें नाम है. बट ये नेम सिर्फ तभी यूज होंगे अगर दो वैल्यूज की रेशो है.
ओके मैम.
Now, in question number 1, first part, we have 5 rupees to 50 paise. So the units are different. I'm going to convert first of all. So 5 rupees to paise. 1 rupee has 100 paise. So this is
100 paise.
conversion. Yeah, we are going to convert. So 1 rupee has 100 paise. 5 rupee will be equal to?
5 multiply 100 is equal to 500.
Now you can find out the ratio.
Ma'am, 0 will be cut.
Please make sure the order is important. पहले 500 पैसे आने हैं, फिर 50 पैसे आने हैं. Do not change the order. I will write down
Ma'am,
one
इसका
point
answer
along
है-
with. Yeah,
Ma'am-
I will be writing down one
Ma'am,
point
इसका
here.
answer आएगा 10-1.
So I have added one line here that the order is very important while writing a ratio. Don't change the order on your own. Please be careful. That's correct. Achyut has calculated the answer already. That's
10:1.
That's correct. Let's cancel the units. Then 0 can be cancelled. I'm left with 50:5. This can be cancelled with now 5. 5. And this is your answer. I think everyone has now been able to recall that हम ये questions कर चुके हैं. And I think you will be able to do all parts on your own.
Yes मैम.
Right. Let's write down the second part. We have 15 kilograms to 210 grams. I'm going to convert. 1 kg has 1,000 grams. So 15 kg will be 15 multiplied by 1,000. This will be 15,000 grams. And now I can find out.
500
Excuse ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
7
मैम इसमें 0 के साथ 0 नहीं ना कट होगा क्योंकि वो 210 और वो 15.
No, you can
1,010.
cancel. It's like dividing by 10. 1 0 can be cancelled. Not all. 1 1 can be cancelled. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have 1,521. Now simplify. These can be divided by 3 now. Both
50:7.
50:7 or 500:7?
500:7.
500:7. Let's do the next part.
मैम हमने ये किस टेबल पे किया 21 and 7 मैम
This
3
is
के
by
टेबल
3.
पे
Now, out of meters and centimeters, the bigger units are meters. I'm going to convert meters. Can you tell